Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the messages, for example. I mean, it doesn't really matter, just open the keyboard, and as you can see here we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon, tap on the settings which will appear somewhere here, and drag it to this panel in order to, of course, have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on languages, and here we've got the list of languages we've got previously applied, and in my case I've got two different ones, so we've got the English and Spanish. So let's tap on add keyboard, and here, as you can see, we've got full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. So let me pick something more graphical, I would say, than English and Spanish. I would like to pick Assyrian, for example, or Arabic one. Where's Arabic? Okay, so here we've got the Arabic. Let's tap on it. So just tap on the language you'd like to use, and sometimes you will be able to pick the region also, so just tap on it. Here you've got the keyboard options. I will stick with the first one. Tap on done, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the to this list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. And as you can see, we've got actually two different things which will appear after adding new language. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty. We've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So right now I'm typing English. Let's tap on the globe icon. I switched to the Spanish one because of this strange letter. And after tapping on it again, finally we've got the Arabic, which we've just added, and I can freely type in Arabic. So actually, this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not need 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on languages, and here from this step, all we have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon, which is a pencil icon. And as you can see right now, we can mark the languages we'd like to remove. I will remove both Spanish and Arabic, and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, so after getting back, we can see first of all that the spacebar is actually empty, so we cannot check in which language we are writing because we've got only one applied. What's more, we do not have the language key and the globe icon, so it means that we cannot switch between the languages. So actually, this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.